Yes, good evening, folks. Name is EZRA Ondara, content creator based in the city of Nakuru. We do real estate content, house hunting in Nakuru. If you're looking for a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, just call us on 0791 055678 and we will sort you. So today in our house hunting, segment, we are bringing you the most affordable 2- and 3-bedroom apartment in the entire of Nakuru. I'm telling you, hell yeah. And this apartment, Serenity View Apartments, that is the name. It is located at Zaburi in Kiamunyi in the city of Nakuru. So now a 2-bedroom goes for 20,000 Kenya shillings and a 3-bedroom goes for 23,000 Kenya shillings. Ooh! Don't tell anyone. You just come and book, because if you're going to tell others, they'll come and book ahead of you. Then you'll come here and you meet them. You're like, how did you come here, bro? It's because you told them. When the deal is too sweet like that one, I'm telling you, first take that advantage. All right, so inside Serenity View Apartments, the gate is on that end. They have done a perimeter wall. Electric fence is there for enhanced security. They have done the cameras. Okay, by the way, from here to the highway is just about 80 meters, because this apartment is just on the first street from the Nakuru Kabarak Road, from the highway there, just on the first street. So about 80 meters to the barabara. Na alafu pale pia hapo Zaburi, hapo ndo tunanuanga mboga, groceries, nini, whatever, gas, water, maji, everything. If you want to go to the supermarket, just about 1 kilometer you get to Olivine. We have 2 supermarkets there now, and you can always do your shopping. If you want bigger kind of shopping, of course you can always drop to town. From Kiamunyi to town is 3.5 km. Is that far? Kwa wale usema Kiamunyi ni mbali, 3.5 km na unafika town. Now, so Serenity View Apartments, they have ample parking, okay, where I'm even standing, ample parking. The apartment, the face of it looks beautiful, and then they have 2 blocks. So this block is for the 2-bedroom and that other block is for 3-bedroom. So with a staircase just in the middle. Okay, so once you enter, you go either side to a unit or to a unit. The other block as well, the same. And I just love the way even the ground floor units here, they have those private front balconies. Wonderful. And water is available 24/7. What else, Jameni? Electricity, it is token meter. There are so many schools around. For those who always ask about schools, there is a Kagaki School is down here. Mustard Seed International School is down here. St. Cecilia Academy is just here. Great Rift School is just about here. So for those who have children, school-going children, when it comes to school, you are sorted. Kabarak is just ahead there. Sun and Shield is just Kulembele. Apple, by the way, umesotiwa. Okay, if you're a church-going person as well, so many around here. Now, up to that point, let's go and sample a unit on this side of 2-bedroom and then another unit on the side of 3-bedroom. 20,000 and 23,000 Kenya shillings. Whoa, what a deal. Alright folks, sasa karibuni to the 2-bedroom unit. Tuanzie hapa alafu tuende kwa 3-bedroom. So the first thing kwanza nimesahau kuambia ni kwamba stairs ziko pana vizuri. They have nicely been done. The tiles are looking good. And then the apartment, I just like the way they have done brilliant white, all over. It really pops. So now, at every unit, ukishapanda tu hivi stairs ufike hapa mahali tuko, you have a unit on either side. Okay, there's a unit there and one here. And the same applies to the 3-bedroom side. So every unit has got this, gate here, okay? Before you just go kule, ukona gate hapa kwa balcony, making that space pale your private space, and as well the other one hivo. So mkishafika hapa, mnaachania hapa na neighbor, hakuna mtu kupita mbele ya nyumba yako. Alright, now there's also a doorbell. Let me just mention that there's a doorbell in case uko na mgeni na maybe hapo umefunga, anakuja hapa na kuringia doorbell, and then anakuja anapatana na wewe. So now this space here, it is quite spacious. Even for relaxation tu, hapa nje unaweka tu kiti, unapunga hewa, you know, it's awesome. Ama unaota jua, sunset, especially this side na sunsets, it's really awesome. Aya, sasa tukiingia hivi ndani ya 2 bedroom, the lounge is spacious. Okay, I like it. So this lounge, the setup I'm looking at here is a 5-seater couch and a small dining table, or even a 7-seater couch will do actually. Sawa sawa. Aya, so you have a TV port on that end, meaning you guys will be, you know, entertaining yourself in this setup. Anyway, you will just decide how you plan your home. There's a massive window on that end for natural light. Curtain rods have been done. Mimi, I am on the topmost floor. Like I always say, the higher the better. So since the home iko na roof, hii floor ya juu iko na wooden ceiling. Okay, so through this door here, inanipeleka to the rest of the house. So immediately I'm just on this corridor hapa. Kule ni the common toilet and bathroom, and they are in separate rooms. Remember, the apartments are not en suite. So all of you will be using this space for bath and kujisaidia kule. So that's the toilet and this is the bathroom. Sindo hivyo. Alright, and even the showers are there. All the essentials have been installed. Haukuji kuambiwa ati huku unafanya nini? Ati unakuja kuinstall shower. Tuachana hiyo mambo bwana. Alright, so on this one, the kitchen is on the right, but there are others where the kitchen goes to the left. Well and good. So I'm inside the kitchen. First things first, it is spacious. Secondly, a decent amount of cabinetry. You know, kule juu you have spaces, na hapa your gas burner itaingia hapa, even a 6 burner. By the way, the provisions that they have made here, even a 6 burner gas cooker inatoshea. I love the way they have done the wall tiles in the kitchen from floor to ceiling. Saa ingine maybe unapika machakula, nyumba inakuwa na moshi nawe, you can always wipe hapo, you wipe them dry. Ama yeah, so you get what I'm saying. Alafu this socket hapa, I think your fridge itasimama mahali hapa. They have done a double sink, which is wonderful. There is just ample worktop space for food preparation. Alafu hapa nje sasa kuna balcony hapa, kuna kitchen balcony, and in every balcony kuna tap imewekwa pale, kuna power socket wameweka pale, and the way they have designed these balconies hapa for this unit, for this apartment, I don't think somebody will mind putting their washing machine hapa nje, like the way they have just designed them, you know. Iko protected, alafu mvua hainyeshi, sioni chance ya mvua kunyesha kuja huku ndani. So I think somebody can actually do a washing machine out there. Okay, now the floor tiles in general, you know, they are good. You know, in general, they are good. Ni vile tu kitchen amefanya tofauti na hapa tofauti, but they're not shouting. Ama mnaonaje? They're not making noise. Now, inside the 2 bedroom, whichever bedroom you choose can be your master bedroom. You'll just decide which one, because none is en suite here. Now, when it comes to size, both the bedrooms can actually fit 2 4x6 beds. So if you have queen and king beds only, well, bring them. You know, you can just install one, you fit one mahali hapo. Alafu, you know, you are left with, you know, some other ample room, even to move around, even to exercise in the morning, you know. Yeah, the better, you know, the more room you have, the better, sindio, but ideally, wewe ndio utaamua. So they have, you know, a lot of, you know, storage in the wardrobes hapo. The wardrobes themselves, they look awesome. You know, the material ambao walichukua, naamini kwamba iko sawa, iko smart, you know. Sindio, alafu kuna dirisha hapo, again, natural light muhimu. I love their switches, you know, these ones here, switch tu kalikali, ndo walieka in this apartment. Aya, so nikienda hivi across, I'm inside the other guest bedroom, same size as ile ingine. You know, I don't see a difference at all, kusema kweli, in the size. Zinatoshana tu bado. And again, whatever I said there is what befits this bedroom as well. Okay? So, chenye tu nisema huko, una repeat tu hapa. You know, whatever you can do there, it can be done in this bedroom as well. So up to that point, ni wapi hatujaingia? I think tumeingia all the spaces. And just love this lounge the way it is. Hii lounge unaweza ipanga vizuri sana. You know, the way just it's looking, you know, inapangika poa. So now up to that point, tuende niwaonyeshe 3 bedroom ile pande ingine. All right. All right, now karibu to the 3 bedroom. Like I told you, with every unit, you have this private balcony, thanks to these, you know, gates here. For every unit, it has this. And then a massive, you know, front balcony here. Now, I'm on the topmost unit of the 3 bedroom. Na ile kitu napenda hapa ni views. Like I always say in my videos, for me, the higher the better. I don't know about you. Everybody, you know, has their own preference. Kuna wale napenda ground floor, mwingine kule juu. So now, the breeze and the views from up here, fantastic. All right, come inside. Inside the lounge, once again, painted all white, brilliant white, the one that people love. The tiles are simple to the eye. I see power sockets on 3 sides of the walls, 1, 2, 3, and a TV socket right there. I told you about the switches. You know, they put some nice, you know, modern switches. All right, and of course this massive window hapa inaleta natural light into the space. Curtain rods have been done. A matter of you coming, upime your curtains, and then you settle. It is, I mean, I like the simplicity all over in this crib. So this door, straight ahead, we have, you know, a bathroom and a toilet in separate rooms. Okay, bathroom and toilet right there. And then on my left here, I am inside the kitchen. All right, so the wall tiles, kitchen wall tiles coming all the way from the floor to the ceiling, wonderful white, of course with this strip here just to create a bit of contrast. Really nice. This space hapa for your gas cooker. All right, and I love that there is ample worktop space. Ndo hii hapa. The wardrobes, well done. The cabinetry rather, okay, it is well done. You have spaces up there and others below, beneath the sink. They have done a double sink, which is wonderful. There is a lot of water. Allah, okay, this one doesn't have it. Okay, anyway, I showed you in the one, but in the 2 bedrooms. Okay, maybe they have closed the meter for this one. Sorry about that, but there is water. So overall, again, the space quite spacious, you know, with enough room for you to stand your fridge there, your cooker, and other stuff that you have in your kitchen. So outside the kitchen, we have a balcony here, private balcony again. It is spacious enough, 4 feet wide, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4 feet by 11 feet wide. There's a tap out there to help with the laundry outside, and they have even provided sockets there. So in case you want to install your washing machine somewhere here, well and good, but maybe you may have to shut this area, I don't know, but you'll figure that one out, sindio? Alafu kuna hanging lines hapa, okay, they have done some rails. Utakuja na kamba zako za nguo uweke pale mahali mbapo unaanika nguo zako. All right. Let's check out the bedrooms. So straight ahead at this point, this is the first guest bedroom. It is right here. This one, it will accommodate comfortably a 4x6 bed, I would recommend. Okay, a 4x6, even a 5x6 bed will still fit in, but a 4x6 is fine. And it has some wardrobes on this corner. They are right there. Enough, I believe, for the resident of this bedroom. Okay. Then on the right, it is bedroom 2. Right? Remember, we are inside the 3 bedroom. Bedroom 2, this one again, for the bed size, you can do here a 5x6 bed, and I like these ones the way it is elongated. So the bed area will be here, and then you have that room to that side left, you know, maybe for you to do other things. And then of course wardrobe zako again ndo hizo kutoka juu mpaka chini. The entire home painted all white. You know, that's just one aspect that I love here. Brilliant white. There's a window on this end for natural light, and then come with me on the very end huku ndio sasa tuko na the master bedroom. Yes, now I'm inside the master bedroom. It is ample, you know, quite spacious. This one comfortably takes a king size bed and still living room for someone, you know, to place other items in their bedrooms. Now, of course, looking at those wardrobes, there is his and hers, or even baby, you know, if you have a baby. I mean, I'm assuming somebody coming to a 3-bedroom apartment, surely they have family. You guys be single and be letting 3-bedroom units? It doesn't make sense. So his, hers, and baby ziko hapo zote. I see power sockets on that end and others on this end. So if the bed, the bed area will be here because I see there's a bed switch on this corner. And so maybe if you have a desk, you know, to do some of your works late night, you can just place it somewhere here thanks to this power socket here, or even maybe your laundry desk inaweza ka na ipande. Now the master bedroom, it is facing the front on this end, and I appreciate the amount of natural light that comes into this space. Wonderful. That is a 3-bedroom. Like I told you, this is the most affordable 3-bedroom apartment in Nakuru. Imagine a 3-bedroom for 23,000 Kenya shillings. Really?